We came to confirm for ourselves what Julius Berger is doing for the Ogbakiri people. We awarded this road. It's a 9.7 kilometer road for the people of Emohua to have the people of Emohua, but this is Ogbakiri now. It's in Emohua local government area, so I'm correct. If you could see when we were coming in, at the center of the road, the other side that leads to Tema, Julius Berger has already taken up that stretch, and we felt it would be proper for them to also extend the good work they did on that other side to this side of the road, so that there will be uniformity. For that reason, we awarded this job to them, and we have also paid them 30% mobilization, 4.5 billion naira. The total cost of this job is about 15 billion. Last week we paid them 30% for them to commence job, work on it. They've also assured us that in 8 months' time, that this project will be delivered. We made a promise to our people that we will continue to embark on projects that will touch the life of our people. It is not a 1 kilometer road, it's not a 2 kilometer road, it's a 9.7 kilometer road at the cost of about 15 billion. So you can imagine what we're doing to better the life of our people there. I personally came to the waterfront to see what we could do to connect the other side of the river to this side. But we're working on it. Let's see, by the time we're done with this, we'll now decide on what to do about that. But I can assure our people we'll continue to make you happy.
Thank you
for your support to us. All right, we came into Elechi Amadi Polytechnic to inspect what is going on. Part of our program, we assured the good people of Rivers State that we are not going to limit what we are doing only in the side of roads, but education. We did discuss with the council after their inauguration what are the basic needs of the school, and they mentioned a lot of things: accommodation, office block, and the completion of the Senate building that have been on for the past 8 years. We assured them that we're going to do that, and we've already released 50% of the cost of the completion, and also other 2 projects that are ongoing. You already see it for yourself, the foundation for the office block for the staffs of the institution. We also have another one that is about to commence, the entrepreneurial building for training of the youths. So our promise to our people is very strong on issue of development, not just on any other area, educational development, and we're not going back on it. I'm happy with what I've seen. It means the council and the council chairman and his members are very committed. So we'll give them all the support to make sure they succeed. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me shake my governor. Excellency.